Okay, welcome. Hello, everybody. Today I will be walking you through the method, the Meteor Shower Simulation project building using Python and Tkinter. Let's dive into the code and see how each part contributes to the overall animation. The first step, import the libraries. We start by importing the Tkinter library for the UI and random for iteration, random position, colors, and speeds. Um, I define constants for the Windows dimension, meteor properties like speeds and trace legs, and the numbers of the star in the background. Um, The star, the the class star, uh, each star is given a random position and size. The star blinks randomly, which we simulate by doubling their visible light based on a probability. Um, the class blink is a method that controls whether the star is visible in the current frame. The draw method draws the star only if it is currently visible. visible. Um, and the next class was meteor is when a meteor is created, its star are at a random position at the top of the window with a random speed and colors, each red, orange, or yellow. The move the move method updates the meteor position and stores the previous position to a trail. Mm, the draw method renders the trail with a gradient effect, where the color intensified the crest along the tail to simulate them fading. Finally, we draw the meteor head as a small circle. Finally, I create the last class. This is our main application class. We initialize the canvas, which is where all drawing happens. We create a list of stars and meteors. The animate method is the heart of the animation loop. It's clear the canvas makes stars, blink and draw them, moves and routes each meteor, and then schedule the next animation frame using after, which ensures a smooth continuous animation. And the last time is the execution. So give me a second and reproduce the class. Wait, give me a second. I change the directory because it's more easy. So in this case, you can see the Meteor Shower Simulation, the stars, the meteor. It's it's very beautiful. This project showcases creating anime graphics with the Tkinter, using classes to encapsulate both behavior for stars and meteors, adding visual polish through blinking star and radiant trails. It is a great example of how Python standard libraries can be used to create engine visual simulation with just a few lines of code. Um, thank you, thank you for watching. Let me know if you would like to see more projects like this or further ensures like sound effects or user control. See you the next time. And the quote today is I refuse to look back with regret when I am about to finish my degree. That is what I am giving it everything I have got until that date arrives. So thank you so much. See you the next time. Bye bye.